If you want to upgrade your life, you have to upgrade your mindset first. Friends, you don't become what you want, you become what you believe. It is rightly said, mind is a powerful tool. It can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Welcome to my channel, Positive Vibes with Pooja. Everyone has their own unique pair of glasses through which they see the world. And for that reason, the world is different place for each one of us. Self-mastery, self-control and self-discipline are essential for anyone who wants to achieve anything in life. Secret of successful people? They believe that they have the ability to succeed and they will not entertain, think, or talk about the possibilities that they would fail. But most of the people don't truly believe that they can achieve greatness. They don't believe they can live extraordinary life. Thus, this becomes true. They aren't successful. They don't even attract opportunities. In fact, they will actively miss even if it is right under their feet. Your mind is a powerful tool. It can be your best friend or it can be your worst enemy. There is a famous quote of Gautam Buddha. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. We have numerous thoughts in our mind. Thoughts are intangible, but its power is how they affect us and make us act. Thoughts can be positive or negative. Positive thoughts are harmless and thus they can create happiness in our life. But at the same time, negative thoughts, it can spoil our life. It keeps repeating and occurring in our mind. Thus, instead of avoiding it, we concentrate on it, we entertain, and most important, we start believing on that negative thought. You will think about these negative thoughts frequently, and at the same time, you start discussing with others. When these negative thoughts get so much support from you, it becomes stronger. Thus, you start believing on your negative thoughts. And when you completely believe on your negative thoughts are converted into belief. It becomes your belief. Let us take some examples of negative thoughts. For some, they feel themselves unlucky in all aspects of life. For many, they feel they are never financially satisfied. And for many of them, they feel their marriage is complete failure. This was just a negative thought that once appeared in your mind. The first mistake what you committed was you concentrated on these negative thoughts. You started thinking about it frequently rather than avoiding it. And thus overthinking will make you depressed. You will start feeling that yes, you are unlucky, you are leading an unhappy married life, you are not financially stable. Thus, you start believing your negative thoughts, and your belief is converted into belief. Once the belief is formed, it is very hard to break. It will determine the quality of your life. Thus, people start assuming they can't achieve any greatness. They don't believe they can actually lead an extraordinary life. Thus, this becomes true. and they don't attract opportunities. Thus, they aren't successful. Just by entertaining a small negative thought, it can spoil your entire life. Your income, success, health, and who you ultimately become are based entirely on what you believe about yourself. Most people knock on the doors of the dreams once. Then they run away before anyone has a chance to open the door. But if you keep knocking persistently and endlessly, eventually door will open. Not many people live life that they have always wished to live. They give up on their life goals as soon as they encounter the first setback. One of the main causes is that they don't believe in themselves. The world that we are living is extremely competitive and challenging. The people start to doubt themselves and their abilities when they come across failure. You must have experienced this among your friends. Those who are talking negative, thinking negative always, they are discouraged. They never feel motivated and thus they put very less effort in their work. Lack of effort prevents them from promotion. This type of people, they remain unsuccessful forever. There are some type of people who will keep saying that I am socially awkward type of guy. So when that individual goes to a social gathering, he stays in the corner by himself. And when no one speaks to him, it reinforces his belief that he is socially awkward type of guy. There are some type of people who have this negative thought that they encounter failure every time. They will view each mistake as a proof that they are not good enough to perform their duty. But when this type of person succeeds at something, he will chalk it up to luck. This is all because of that negative thought when it first appeared in your mind, and thus you start believing on this theory that you are not leading a happy life. As you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap. In simple words, what you tell yourself, you become. Time is limited. Don't allow the negative thoughts to rule your life. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let the noise of others' opinion drown out your own inner voice. If you always let others think for you, you will never become who you want to be. Let me narrate you a story of a young man. He always followed a strict diet, ate healthy food, organic food, exercised daily, but got some serious illness. Despite his best effort to remain healthy, he had a deep fear of getting sick. Deep fear of getting sick, friends, this means he had a negative thought of sickness. He supported this negative thought, he encouraged this by overthinking, and thus he started believing, and his belief was converted into belief. Thus it was manifested and he was attracted by illness. Take a look at the labels you have placed on yourself. Maybe you have declared yourself incompetent, or you have declared or decided you are having a bad health always. Or you have placed a label that you can't live an extraordinary life. You will never enjoy financial stability. Let us understand how to set up a new belief. Think about something you are experiencing in your life right now that you want to change, maybe health, relation with someone, or financial situation. Take a piece of paper, divide it into two parts, negative belief and positive belief. Example, you have a negative thought about your health every time. So write down each and every point related to health which keeps irritating you. Example, I can't recover from my illness. I am having a very bad health. I have a poor immune system. And positive side should be my immune system is strengthened. I had a wrong belief about health. I am fit, fine and healthy. Look at the positive side once or twice daily and you will feel the magic. The most important features of negative thought is that if it gets support from you, it means if you are frequently thinking negative, it will convert into your belief and it will enter your subconscious mind. And once if it enters your subconscious mind, subconscious mind is like a powerful genie. It will manifest your negative thoughts into reality. How to inculcate the positive belief in your subconscious mind? Through affirmations. Try to talk to yourself, affirm positive words, sentence to yourself. Talk to yourself that you are having a very good health, you are perfectly fit and fine. You are enjoying your married life. Everything is perfect in your marriage life. Along with affirmation, visualization is very important. What is visualization? You have to bring a particular picture of your positive belief front of you. Along with that, you have to feel that happiness. Visualization should be done just before you go to sleep. Just close your eyes. If you have some financial problem, visualize that you are gaining some financial opportunities. You are so happy financially, mentally. And at the same time, visualization should be done by observing and imagining the particular picture. And when you do this, it will enter your subconscious mind, and thus subconscious mind gets a perfect picture about what you really want in your life. Talking and thinking only about what you desire and what you want from your life, and not giving much importance to the unwanted matters. This if you follow for 24 hours. Yes, it is very hard thing to do, but with practice you can reach the point where you are only thinking about your goals, your desires most of the time, and then your whole life will change for better. Now you can decide what you want in your life, a best friend or a worst enemy. No one can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, no one can destroy a person, but his own mindset can.